Hey there, are you tired of feeling sluggish, unmotivated, and unhappy with your life? Do you want to lose weight, build muscle, and have more energy to play with your kids? This 30-minute guide to supercharge your life is exactly what you need. It's packed with easy-to-follow nutrition tips, fitness training, and weight loss strategies that will transform your life. And the best part is it's a complete beginner's guide to healthy living. So, even if you've never done any kind of exercise before, you'll still be able to follow along and see results. Here's what you'll learn. How to build a Bertrand day. How to track your fixation. Thesacret spelled wis. How to create for stress. How to verkamurt starfers. How to create LSHFI althea. No tomli willialias tertian. Butululsaget. Access to communifly mindedio pleshivalator. So, area ready torthurier chiro. Happier, and more reactive. Joyous stade, and don't forget tefilkshol fitness, and nutrition. Let's get you out of the grolts.